All right, all right. That's it. It's a wrap. And I thought we would have a sell-off today. Um, just gave me a little bluff, but yeah, there it is, man. Close that gap just like I expected. So obviously a money-making day, man. Gotta love when things go the way you expect. And I'm looking at the daily. It looks like the daily momentum is fading off. Um, I wouldn't be surprised if we get another sell-off tomorrow. Maybe another 20 points or so. I could get aggressive. We are in a downtrend on the daily. This is a lower high. This is a higher high, lower high. So you have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. That makes a downtrend, baby. So now we have a lower high. And what should we expect? A lower low. Um, so, I mean, we could very well test that 276. If we make a higher low, then that's a trend reversal. And that could just um, prelude a spike up to that maybe 4,500 mark. So we'll keep our eye open for that. And on the 60-minute, what are we looking at? Looks pretty negative. I think we're going to kiss that line. Ah, you sisters and Fanny. Hate when I do that. So I think we're looking for like 354 tomorrow at least, and we'll see if we hold that. We'll probably kiss it, but we'll keep our eye open on that. Let's see what else we got going on. Bitcoin is just screaming, so I'm not taking a look. The bonds were closed today, so no need to look at that. Apple, let's just look at the free folk stuff. All my stuff is just buy on dips. Things are dipping now. Good time to buy. So the free folk stuff, we got fuel cell. It's just consolidating, really. I mean, as a trade, I would wait for it to break this high. Looking at it on the 60-minute, it's just trending up. It was a good day today, but I would wait for it to break the high up here. Or you could just put a trend line in and say that you're bullish as long as it stays above this trend line. That trend line right there. So you can get involved and just, that's your stop. If it breaks that line, just get the hell out. You could take the same approach with plug also. Just put a trend line here, and if you want to get involved above it. Material. I think this is the one that's kind of choppy looking. Oh yeah, this is just closing up that gap today. It's cool. It's cool. It popped up, I guess, today and then traded off, closing up that gap. I don't really like it. I don't like the pattern. AMC, see you real soon. It's just fighting, man. It's fighting to stay above that line. But, well, the momentum looks like it might be rolling around a little bit on the daily. I don't see an entry. Yeah, I mean, it's just chomping around in this consolidation, and I wouldn't really bother to trade anything. Smile. I mean, I don't even know what these things do. It doesn't show any trading pattern. Looks like it could be in a little wedge. Closed up that gap. I don't see anything. I'm not enthused. Yeah, I hate when we slow in the data. Tesla's just grinding its way up, man. Momentum's fading off, so I would wait for a pullback before I bought it. I'd be looking for like 72, somewhere around there. Lucid Group. You could see I'm slow, and I got knocked off today, cut my stream short. Lucid Group is filling in the gaps, baby. Let it come down another buck. Sophie Tech. Sophie Tech. Oh, had a strong day up, left a gap behind it. There's a divergence on the momentum, but it did break that high, so I would have taken an entry today on it. I mean, again, I don't know what they're about. I'm just looking at the technicals. But we put this trend line in down here, if you're looking in the lower right-hand corner. And we said we're bullish above that trend line. And voila, she continued. And last but not least, INO Inc. INO. Just on a steady downtrend, man. Probably close that gap tomorrow. Nothing there for me to get involved with. So, anywho, that's the short of the long, man. We were kind of trading without a rudder today because the bond market was closed. So, and you know, tech and interest rate sensitive securities are kind of dominate the market right now. So but yeah, we'll get a better feel for it tomorrow. If that bond market starts spiking through the evening, you can expect a nice sell-off. I mean, everything's looking rather negative into the close, obviously. But again, like I said, we're sailing without a rudder on this because of the closed bond market. So, yeah, you know, take it with a grain of salt. I do think we'll go down and touch that trend line I demonstrated earlier. But anyway, that's it. It's a wrap. So everybody be cool, be calm. When you're trading, be at peace, and good luck trading.